So hey, I'm here with Mike, and we're going to talk about the new Roland DrumLink, right?
Yeah, so I'm Mike from DWE. We're going to talk a little bit about the Roland DrumLink WT-10. This is something new that we're previewing here at Namm. The whole concept behind it is we want to expand our wireless capability with a bunch of different products and things that you can kind of connect to different things like kits, Roland pads, triggers, and everything else. The whole concept is the WT-10 will connect to a wireless hub, a DH10 or the DrumLink hub for DWE. You can see here on this setup that we have some CY16s and a VH10 hooked up to it so that we can have a different symbol option for DWE. But we can also hook up a BT1 to it, or an RT trigger, or even a PD pad if we wanted to expand the kit even more. Also, you can use it on like a Roland product. We can also hook up the whole system into a Roland V-series module, or a TD27 or TD50X, or in the future also SPD-SX.
So how does that differ from what we had previously? It was all wired before, right?
Yeah, everything was wired before, so if like a simple pad like this example, everything was wired through to go into a module-based system, but right now it's just the symbols going into the wireless transmitter, and the wireless transmitter going to the wireless hub sitting right next to the laptop.
Okay, and then that just goes USB straight into the...
We got it going into the module right here for now, and we're also triggering some software at the same time, just to give you the ability to do both, one or the other.
Brilliant. And is that available now, or...?
Available soon, Q2.
And a price point? Do we know kind of where the...
For the WT-10s, $139.99.
So Mike, you're going to talk us through some of the DWE software, right?
Right. So one of the things we've done a lot last year, and we're going to keep doing this year, is we keep expanding the sound library for DW SoundWorks. We've added 3 kits last year to it. We added Trevor Lawrence signature pack, we added a design acrylic pack, and a pure cherry pack. Next month, we already got another pack coming, and we have more packs coming throughout the whole year to keep expanding the line. This also can be used as a VST and a DAW, and it also comes available with DWE drums and drum kits and shells, and you can also comes with the V-71 series as well.
Brilliant. So this integrates really nicely with the new wireless packs, right?
Completely. You can use it you can use it in a computer like this, or you can integrate it with a module or hardware piece as well.
Brilliant. Well, Mike, thank you very much.
All right, thanks.